This one, make sure you get the hair down, okay, down like this, very down and straight, okay, and then cut. So why we start in the middle? To get the both side the same angle. Okay, so we finish the middle, then we will finish the sides. So when you put it here, you already have a guide. Yeah. Get it again, pull it down, and your hand should always be leveling it down, okay. Always get the middle, okay. So now you have